today I will be giving you guys a high puff tutorial. If you haven't already, please subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down more videos that you guys would like to see from me. So I'm gonna start off by taking out these puffs that I already had in here. I want to make a few disclaimers before I actually get into this video. So I recorded 3 videos today. This will be the 3rd one, and of course I'm wearing the same shirt. So if you see the same shirt in all the videos, yes, it's the same shirt. I record them all on the same day. Then the second disclaimer is if you hear the noise in the background, it's my brother playing a video game in the other room. So okay guys, so this is my hair outside of the style. Ooh, these curls are kind of defined over here. Ooh. So I'm gonna start by going in with some water. I got this 360 mister from Sally's for, I can't remember how much I paid for this thing. I want to say $10 to $14. I can't remember, guys, but it's a really good water bottle. I'm glad I invested in it. So I'm gonna start off by spraying my hair with some water. This will help me move it around a little more too. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with, ooh, goodness, I saw that spray it a little bit more. Now I'm gonna go in with my Cream of Nature Pure Honey leave-in conditioner. So I'm gonna spray a little bit in my hand. Rub my hands together and just go across my hair with it. So guys, I purchased this whole line for Cream of Nature, and I actually need to drop a review about it, because just make sure y'all tune into the video. I'm not gonna say too much on it. Then I'm gonna go in with my twisting cream, also from the Cream of Nature Pure Honey line. So yeah, I'm gonna scoop a little bit out of here. This is actually thick, so you don't want to use that much of this because it's like kind of on the thick side. And then I'm just gonna glide it over my hair a little bit. Okay, now lastly I'm gonna go in with my Eco Styler gel. You know, some people say they don't use Eco Styler gel because it doesn't work and this and that, and let me tell you guys, let me give you guys a secret. In my opinion, the only Eco Styler gel that actually holds is the red top, the argan oil. This is the only Eco Styler gel that actually holds, so I kind of stopped buying all the rest of them unless I want to just give my hair a break from heavy duty gel. But when I want a slick back look or something, here's my go-to. So I'm gonna Get my hand there, get a little on my hands. Get a little on my hands. And then we're gonna go across, all across my perimeter. The perimeter of my hair. Okay, and then we're gonna take our brush. This is a hard bristle. This is a hard bristle brush. And I'm just gonna go across my hair with smooth down a gel. And I'm gonna use my scrunchie. This is a big scrunchie, so I'm gonna double it and put it on my wrist. And we're just gonna scoop my hair all together. Scrunchie. Hang on a second.
I'm just trying to tell you I'm fine soon for closing.
All right. Now we're gonna go in with the edges. I like to use a toothbrush, just dip inside of the gel, and I'm gonna just start by smoothing my edges. Okay guys, so this is pretty much my edges and everything, and I like to go in and pull down some loose hairs. So I just go in and pull down loose hairs, and then voila, this is my finished look. Can you guys see that? Thanks for watching this video. If you guys like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and comment down videos that you guys would like to see from me down below. See you guys later.